Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I am going to present about network fundamentals in this season. We will learn the basic of computers network, why they are important, and how they work in our daily lives. Networking is a foundation of modern technology because almost everything today is connected through network, from sending a message on WhatsApp, browsing the internet, up to online gaming or rely on network. Let's get started. First, introduction to networking. Networking is a group of devices that are connected together to share information, resources, and services. With networking, we can send emails, browse websites, or even stream videos across the world. Without network, the internet would not exist, and communication would be very limited. Networking is like the nervous system uh, of our digital world. History of networking. Networking has a long history in the um, one 1960. ARPANET was created by the U.S. Department of Defense, and it became the first packet switched network in the 1970 and 1900 and HT researchers developed TCP or IP, which became the standard for communication in the 1919. The internet became available to the public and grew very fast. Today, we have wireless technologies such as Wi-Fi, 4G, and 5G, as well as cloud computing and the Internet of Things. Types of network. There are different types of network. LAN, or local area network, is for small areas like office or schools. MAN, or Metropolitan Area Network, covers a city or campus. WAN, or Wide Area Network, is much larger, and the best example is the Internet itself. PAN, or Personal Area Network, includes devices like Bluetooth and smartwatches. SAN, or Storage Area Network, is mostly used in data centers. Each type of network serves a different purpose depending on the scale. Network device. To build networks, we need device. A router connect network and direct traffic between them. A switch connect multiple devices inside a local network. A hub is an older device that simply broadcasts signal to all devices. An access point uh, provides wireless internet through Wi-Fi. Firewalls protect the network by filtering traffic, and servers provide services such as website, emails, or database. Uh, each device plays an important role in the overall function of the network. Cabling and media. Networks can use different transmission media. Ethernet cables or copper cables are cheap and commonly used in LANs. Fiber optics cables use light signal, and they are very fast and suitable for long-distance communication. Wireless technologies include Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, 4G, and 5G. Satellites provide coverage for global communication, especially in remote areas. Choosing the right media depends on choice, distance, and speed requirement. IP addressing. Every device in a network has an IP address similar to a home address. IPv4 is the older version with a 32-bit address, such as 192.168.1.1. However, IPv4 has limited capacity, so IPv6 was introduced with 128-bit addresses, allowing billions of devices to connect. Subnetting helps divide networks into smaller groups. IP addressing can also be private for internal use or public for the internet. Without IP addressing, communication between devices would be impossible. Protocols. Protocols are like languages that computers use to communicate. Uh, TCP/IP is the backbone of the internet. HTTP and HTTPS are used for web browsing. FTP is used to transfer files. Email protocols include SMTP, POP3, and IMAP. DNS translates domain names into IP addresses. DHCP automatically gives IP addresses to device. Each protocol has a specific function that makes the network work smoothly. OSI model. To understand networking, we often study the OSI model, which has 7 layers. The basic layers deals with cables and signals. The data link layer uses MAC address and switches. The network layers handles IP and routing. The transport layers ensures data arrives using TCP or UDP. The season layer, yeah, manages communication season. The presentation layer handles encryption and formatting. Finally, the application layer supports programs like web browser or email client. This model helps us organize how networking works. TCP/IP model. The TCP/IP model is a simpler and practical model used in real network. It has 4 layers. The network access layers deals with hardware and media. The internet layers handles addressing and routing with IP. The transport layer ensures communication reliability with TCP or UDP. Finally, the application layer covers protocols like HTTP, FTP, and DNS. This model is widely used because it is simpler and matches how the internet works today. Network topologies. Network topology describes how devices are arranged. In a bus topology, all devices share only online, but it's weak and not scalable. Scalable. A star topology connects device to a central switch, which is reliable. A ring topology connects devices in a circle, but if one link fails, it can affect the whole network. A mesh topology connects every device to each other, which is very strong but expensive. A hybrid topology combines two or more types for flexibility. Network surface. Network provide many surfaces. DNS translates human-readable names like google.com into IP addresses. DHCP assigns IP address automatically. VPN creates secure channels for private connection over the internet. A proxy server acts as a middleman between clients and servers. The service make network easier to use, more secure, and more efficient. Cybersecurity. Networking also faces threats. Malware, phishing, and DDoS attack can damage network or steal data. To protect network, we use firewall, antivirus software, intrusion detection system, VPN, and encryption. Cybersecurity is essential to ensure the safety and privacy of data. Without it, users and organizations are at great risk. Cloud networking. Today, cloud networking is a major trend. Services like AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud provide networking resources over the internet. Cloud offers scalability, flexibility, and cost savings. Examples include Google Drive, Zoom, and Microsoft Teams. With cloud networking, businesses no longer need to buy expensive hardware because they can rent services online. Conclusion. In conclusion, networking is the foundation of digital communication. We discussed types of network, device, cabling, IP addressing, protocols, models, topologies, service, cybersecurity, and cloud computing. The future of networking will involve 5G, the Internet of Things, cloud service, and even artificial intelligence, and even artificial and intelligence. Understanding network fundamentals gives us the knowledge to explore advanced technologies. Thank you for listening. Uh, Now we have reached the end of the presentation. I will be happy to answer any question you may have about networking. Please feel free to ask. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.